Our next molecule among homoatomic molecules is fluorine molecule F2. Fluorine has, this is the molecular orbital electronic configuration of fluorine molecule. You can see Kk represents the lowest shell 1s, sigma 1s2 and sigma star 1s2. Then we have sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2pz2, pi 2px2, pi 2py2, pi star 2px2 and pi star 2py2. Fluorine molecule, it will have 18 electrons. So bond order is bonding minus anti-bonding, 8 minus 6 upon 2, that is 1 is the bond order. Then we have neon molecule. Neon molecule will have 20 electrons. So you can see the electronic configuration, molecular orbital electronic configuration. So it will have here sigma 2p, you can see Kk, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi, sigma 2pz2, pi 2px2, pi 2py2, pi star 2px2, pi star 2py2 and sigma star 2pz2. So bond order is 0. Bonding and anti-bonding molecule electrons are equal, so bond order is 0. So therefore neon molecule does not exist. Like helium molecule, neon molecule also does not exist. Now molecular orbital energy diagram for heteronuclear diatomic molecules. Now we have heteronuclear diatomic molecules. We have done homonuclear diatomic molecules. Now we will do heteronuclear diatomic molecules. Heteronuclear means diatomic molecule means कि both your atoms are different. Boron oxide is the first example. So boron has electronic configuration of 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, and oxygen has electronic configuration of 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Total number of electrons, you can count how many electrons they will have, 5, and 8 plus 5 they will have 13 electrons. So electronic configuration is simple to write. You have to write for 13 electrons, but one thing which we have to pay attention is how do we draw the molecular orbital diagram. Now oxygen is more electronegative than boron, so electrons will lie close to oxygen. So oxygen will be lower. The shells of oxygen, they will be lower in energy. The subshells will be lower in energy than boron. So the configuration is sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi 2px2, pi 2py2 and sigma 2pz1. So we have bond order 2.5, and this is how the molecular orbital diagram is drawn. Oxygen, the electrons will lie more close to oxygen than to boron, because oxygen is more electronegative, so it will be lower in energy. Then next we have next example which we have is of nitric oxide molecule. Nitrogen has electronic configuration of 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, oxygen 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. We can write the electronic configuration for them. Like sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi 2px2, pi 2py2, pi sigma 2pz2, sigma star 2px1. Yes, sigma star 2px is also filled here. Again, amongst nitrogen and oxygen, oxygen is again more electronegative, so it will be lower in energy. Its shell will be lying lower. We have not filled here nitrogen, the orbitals of nitrogen 1, 2p3, they will be filled like this, and 2p4, 3 and 4. And in case of, you can see here like this, and then we can fill them easily. There will be 1 electron in pi star 2px here. Bond order, it will come out to be 2.5. Then we can also take examples of, this was about nitric oxide. Then if it is NO positive, NO positive will have one electron less and one electron that will be removed from antibonding molecular orbital, that is pi star 2px. So NO positive, this will be the molecular orbital electronic configuration, and bond order will be 3 here. And in case if it is NO negative, one extra electron that will be added to pi star 2py1. One electron you have to add pi star 2py1, and bond order will be 8 minus 4 upon 2. 2 will be the bond order. So out of NO positive, NO and NO negative will have least bond order and NO positive will have maximum bond order. So this is all about the molecules. Rest molecules we will do in the next class. Thank you.